So, okay, formally now, welcome to the press conference of Gabru Gang. Can we have a round of applause for energy? I can't hear you. It's the world's first film on kite flying. It's written and directed by Dubai's own Sameer Khan, produced by Interglobe Developments, represented by Vivek Sinha and Ashish Kohli. Om Suraj Productions, represented by Ashok Goenka. Amritsar Talkies, represented by Aarti Puri, and Kingsmaker Entertainment, represented by Sameer Khan. The Starcast is here, so let's have a round of applause for them. Can I call on stage the Starcast and the movers and shakers of the movie? Can I have a big round of applause for the producers, Vivek Sinha, Ashok Goenka, Ashish Kohli, Aarti Puri. Can I have a round of applause for them? And the actors of the film, Abhishek Duhan, Abhilash Kumar, Kamalpreet Singh, Krishti Ghosh, and the writer director. And the choreographer Mudassar with us. And the writer director Sameer Khan. Where is Sameer Khan? Can I have Shoaib here, please? Please join us. Shoaib of Bellatrix. They are the presenting sponsors of the film. So this is the team which has created this magic, and this is Sameer Khan's first film. So once we have all of them settled, can we first start quickly with the felicitations of the real life heroes by the real life heroes. So can I have read the Aishwarya. Shahbaz Khan's video went viral when he jumped 30 feet and rescued the occupants of a sinking car at City Walk. Can we have Mr. Ashok Goenka and Shrishti Road to honor Shahbaz? We have more big applause. This is the real hero we're talking Great man. Can I now have Mr. Munir Al Wafa, who is an entrepreneur who mobilized several WhatsApp groups and created a stage where people could help each other. And that's an amazing thing because he almost has in an hour to hear about how many followers in the first 7,000 volunteers he mobilized, and they started helping each other. Can I call on stage Mr. Vivek Sinha, Mr. Ashish Kohli, and Aarti Puri to honor Mr. Munir Al Wafa?
Can I have Mazhar? Yes, please. Can I have him?
Mazhar is yes.
Okay.
Please join us.
Sir. Yes. And look, please, sir. Yes, sir.
You have group proper बनवाना है क्योंकि लाइट नहीं आएगी नहीं तो सेंटर वाली
Okay. Yes.
क्रॉस में
Okay, please.
Wait. Okay, everyone looking here. Yes. Into this. Thank you.
Is Ali Khwaja here? Is he here?
पूरा फ्रेम में
Yeah.
अच्छा लग रहा है
Oh, there. Right. You are next. That's right. Dubai is known for its off-roading and the monster vehicles that run on those desert roads. But did you know that those same vehicles could be used during the floods to help people? So we have Ali Khwaja, who is a professor at the American University of Sharjah. Mr. Sheikh, Abhilash Kumar, and I can have Kamalpreet to felicitate him.
Okay, sir. Yes, look it, please. Look. Now everyone looking here. Sorry, wait one more. Thank you. Go.
Thank you.
नहीं यूज करो मुझे कोई
I'd like to now call on stage Mr. Munir Pandiala. That's the right way to pronounce your name. A journalist and a member of the Indian Cultural Forum who swung into action and helped hundreds of people during the floods. And to felicitate him, we'd like to have Mr. Gurnam Singh of Singh MC Mazhar Farooqi on stage. Where are you? Are they here?
Not yet.
Okay, we can keep clapping for him, please. So that you know what they are about, they are the Singh Motorcycle Club, a passionate motorcycle club established in 2014 by founder Gurnam Singh and co-founder Tanuj Singh.
Yes.
With roots in the UAE, the club has expanded
Sir,
to India and
yes.
Australia and proudly defines themselves as Turbinator riders. Where are they? So we have and now, of course, why can't amongst all these heroes we need a woman hero? So how can we forget her? There she is, Shahana, right? Shabana, sorry. Shabana Hassan.
knows we are Shana because Mr. Mazhar wrote me as Shabana.
This is misspelled, and so we thought of her as Shabana. She's Shabana. Okay, Mrs. Shabana Hassan. That is her. Not she made her home a collection center where people donated supplies. She's a teacher at the Sharjah Ajman American Private School. And to felicitate her, can we have? Are they still not coming?
These are the stars and we are the
Of
stars.
course, that is her son. Please come. Mohammed Aman, that is her son. So the mother and son helped in the floods. In fact, they've been working together even during the pandemic and across all these tough
I started
situations.
from tsunami. These are the pandemic.
Okay. Can I have Mr. Gurnam Singh? And can we also have Abhishek, and Mr. Sameer Khan, felicitated to the lady and the little man.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming. Lovely meeting. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Can we? So now we continue with the press con. After these felicitations, a round of applause to all our heroes again.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
There's a question first.
Sir, first look.
One banana.
Okay, sir. Sir, look it, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
ऐसे से यहाँ देखिएगा. Okay. Yeah. Into this. This is the very coveted bandana that Pandya got you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How about fine? All good.
Thank you very much. Can we settle down and start the actual press conference?
Sir,
Thank you. I'll start with Mr. Vivek Sinha and Mr. Ashish Kohli. What made you back Sameer Khan's project? Can we have a mic for them? Where's the mic? Where's the mic?
देना जरूर. ये भी चलो.
I'm going to repeat the question. What made you back Mr. Sameer Khan's project? No, I'm asking both of you, the producers of the film, and I'll also ask Mr. Goenka, all the three of you. Mr. Goenka will also answer this question.
We have a speaker for us.
हेलो एवरीवन. ये कहानी जितनी फिल्मी है उससे ज़्यादा ये कहानी रियल है एक्चुअली. तो समीर भाई को मिले हुए मुझे कुछ वक्त हुआ है, लेकिन ही हैज़ डन ट्रिमेंडस हार्ड वर्क फॉर दिस मूवी. तो वही वाली बात है कि जिस चीज़ को आप शिद्दत से चाहते हो, कायनात उस चीज़ को उसके मिलाने की साजिश करती है, तो मेरे को उनसे मिला दिया. और फिल्म आज हमारे आपके पास है. आज हम उसके प्रीमियम रिलीज करना चाहते हैं. बाकी आपकी कोशिश, समीर भाई की कोशिश ऐसी रही है कि जब मैं इस बंदे से मिला और मैंने इनकी एफर्ट्स को देखा, द मूवी अबाउट पतंगबाजी इज द फर्स्ट एवर मूवी बिल्ड ऑन काइट कंपटीशन, एंड द पैशन, द डिटर्मिनेशन दिस गाय हैड, so I backed up him, we backed up him as producers, and we know that this is going to be great success by all of your blessings. So I hope this was the destiny, and destiny played a crucial role in that. Thank you. That's all.
अशोक जी, आपने क्यों इनकी फिल्म बैक की? आपने कैसे चूज किया इनको?
ये 4 साल पुरानी बात है. समीर जी मेरे से मिले, बोले सर आपका 15 मिनट का समय चाहिए, कुछ आपको सुनाना है. तो जब मैं बोला कि ठीक है, मैं 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं दे पाऊँगा, लेकिन जब मैं इनके साथ जब इन्होंने मुझे एक स्टोरी बतानी शुरू की, तो लिटरली हम लोग 3.5 घंटे तक बैठ के सिर्फ स्टोरी के बारे में ही डिस्कशन करते रह गए. और उसके आगे मैं स्पीचलेस हो गया, कुछ भी नहीं बोल पाया. मैं बोला ओके, वी विल डन.
जी, आशीष जी, योर टर्न.
Same.
Same.
So I loved his confidence when he shared the story with us, and we decided to back him up with this, and I hope it's a super success. I'm sure all of you will bless this movie and will give the right reviews, because the review scores are really important. And if you really like the movie, do give the right review score. Thank you so much for supporting us.
I want to ask a question to Sameer. The question is, were you like a Kati Patang which found its door with these producers?
Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, real life heroes, press, journalists, friends, well-wishers. Thank you so much for waiting for us here. I'll make it very short, and it's only for 2 reasons. One, You don't want to hear any boring stories. And two, we have a premiere which starts at 7 o'clock. So we have already, kept you waiting. We don't want to keep others waiting again. So there is nothing such as I'm a great kite flyer, that's why I made this movie. This thought just came to me. I started writing it. I started enjoying it. And everything started taking its own route. I got stuck in one place because every film needs to have a high, a turn, a twist. It needs that. And I was not getting it. So that's where, Aarti Puri, one of the producers and also the actor, she gave that point. So when you see the movie, you'll know that where is her input in the film. And as far as Ashok Bhai is concerned, that's absolutely true. In fact, even that 15 minutes was, हाथ जोड़ के मिले थे. But I'm so glad he loved it. And film के ना दो ends होते हैं. जैसे life के भी दो ends होते हैं. एक हम पैदा होते हैं और फिर मर जाते हैं. तो film भी शुरू होती है और खत्म होती है. तो शुरू होते वक्त मुझे अशोक भाई का support मिला and his patience, उनका patience मिला. 4 साल पैसे invest करके patiently wait करना, वो अपने आप में एक बोलते ना पता नहीं कुछ है. And उसके बाद release करना is another task which comes to your head. So how do we release it? And that's where Vivek Bhai and Ashish Bhai, we met very coincidentally and it just worked out. Like I said, I don't want to bore you all, but I just want to say one thing. Thank you so much Ashok Bhai and Vivek Bhai and Ashish Bhai and even the gentleman on the side, Mr. Shoaib, the way he's looking at me, because later I have to face him also, no? And before Manju asks and before I lose out on this opportunity, I'll take just a few minutes of yours. My cast itself was a blessing for me because their performance when you see the film, I know every director अपने cast के बारे में ऐसा बोलता है जैसे उसकी family है, but I genuinely mean it. This is my family sitting here. And their performance in the film is a result of their hard work. We shot for like 45 days in Amritsar, away from your city. When you're shooting in a different city, things become very difficult. ना? अभी आपके घर के नीचे धोबी कौन है आपको पता है, लेकिन आप 500 किलोमीटर दूर जाकर धोबी ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपको. So that is where this cast actually supported me. I love you all so much, Duan. I love you, Shrishti. I love you, Kaval. I love you, Abhilash. And I love you all. And even Brajesh Tiwari, who's one of my other cast who's back in Bombay. And then there is one man who changed the game for me. He tells me that I have an idea. So I said, what is the idea? He says, yaar, one take गाना बनाते हैं. मैं बोला, you know what's a one take song? The camera doesn't cut. So 3 minutes, 400 dancers, 2 cameramen, 1 focus puller, 1 हवेली, 8 directors, और एक ये छोटा सा बच्चा दिखने वाला लड़का है. Super talented. He choreographed 2 songs, the Gabru Gang song which you have been hearing, and there were so many times when I was short on certain things, and he told me, भाई क्या है, करते हैं ना, तो बोलते मेरे को 800 dancers चाहिए, बोला भाई 200 है, क्या भाई, तो पहले he used to be very angry, I used to get scared of him, I swear, I used to not go on the set, तो बोला इसने 800 मांगा मैं 200 दिया हूँ, बोला एक बार शूट शुरू होगी ना फिर आऊँगा. उसने कहीं से ढूंढ के लिया, भाई मैं 800 बोला था आपको, मैं बोला हाँ मैं आ रहे चंडीगढ़ से निकली अभी बस, तुम ये शूट शुरू करो. He understood and he supported me so much. So I'm very grateful to all these people, and here we are today. Our film's premiere is here today, and tomorrow it's releasing worldwide in US and so many other places. But because the film has this cast and this director who's never made a film, a new person who nobody knows. So I wanted to publicize my film. I wanted to do something very extraordinary in the film. Something that will grab eyeballs, something that will be very attractive, that will be very infectious to the eyes when they see it. And then I come across Singh's MC. The Terminators of the region, Gurnaam Paji, thank you so much for this. Gurnaam Paji and his entire team agreed to do a promotional video for me. यहाँ तक कि वो अपने खुद के पैसे से पेट्रोल भी भर दिए, नाश्ता भी किए, and it is out of love that he has done, and you'll have to see that video and so on. Thank you so much.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा.
जी
समीर ने अभी सबको थैंक्स बोला, लेकिन एक पॉइंट पे इसने किसी उसको थैंक्स नहीं बोला, क्योंकि अगर समीर की सोच नहीं होती, ये कहानी नहीं बनती, तो ये परिवार यहाँ आज नहीं होता। थैंक यू समीर, थैंक यू।
Okay, now we'll talk to Aarti. Aarti is the producer of the film and she's also actor in the film. But interestingly, she's one of the few rare women, I would say, who loves kite flying and she likes flying kites.
Yes.
So tell me about that.
Yes, you know, when I was a kid, मुझे लड़कों वाले गेम ही समझ में आते थे. I never played with dolls. I used to love playing kanchas and kite flying, and my mom used to get always upset. You behave like a girl, you're a girl. Till 10th standard, I used to call myself आता हूँ जाता हूँ, you know. So I was always very attracted towards. पैसे नहीं मिलते थे घर से, पॉकेट मनी फॉर दिस, कि काइट फ्लाइंग के लिए नहीं दूंगी पैसे. सो आई रिमेम्बर कि जब मैं छोटी थी, मैं बड़ा पेपर लेके उसको काट के, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, झाड़ू का जो स्टिक रहता है, और आटे की पेस्ट बना के उससे पतंग बना के आई यूज्ड टू फ्लाई. एंड आई थिंक जब मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक गई थी, तब तक मैं इतनी प्रो हो गई थी कि आई यूज्ड टू मार्क माई एरियाज, कि इस छत से लेके उस छत तक मेरा एरिया है, तुम पतंग काट लूटने नहीं आओगे, मैं तुम्हारे इलाके में नहीं आऊँगी, तुम मेरे इलाके में नहीं आओगे. सो आई वॉज अ वेरी वेरी, you know, you can say ardent kite flyer, and I never knew that I'm going to start my career as a producer through a film which will be based on kite flying. So I feel भगवान का भी अपना एक स्क्रीन प्ले होता है, एंड वो अपने स्क्रीन पे आपको अच्छे अच्छे हाई पॉइंट्स भी देता है. तो दिस इज माई हाई पॉइंट दैट आई यूज्ड टू लव काइट फ्लाइंग, एंड टुडे गबरू गैंग film about kite flying is in front of you all. Thank you so much.
Now we'll talk to Shrishti. Shrishti is right here and we all know her from The Big Boss. She has a big debut with this film, so a big round of applause for Shrishti. So Shrishti, tell me about, did you learn kite flying? Anything about the sport that you enjoy?
I love kite flying. I like looking at the kites, but unfortunately I can't fly a kite. I've tried it a lot of times, but I've never succeeded. But I love the sport, absolutely. I mean, I can handle the kite once it's up there, but I can't really put it up there. So, but now that I'm doing this film, I think I'm going to make an effort and learn how to fly a kite, because now it feels like a personal responsibility to know how to, learn how to fly a kite. So yeah, that's about it.
I think after this film, the term "go fly a kite" will change meaning.
Absolutely.
Right. So Abhishek, we'd like you to know there's a madness in patangbazi, and you've been an ardent kite flyer. So tell me, what is that about kite flying that we can learn and apply in real life?
I think staying focused, because when you're flying a kite, it needs all of your attention. You know, you need to be very focused. You need to make sure that you're taking care of, you're aware of your ground as well, and you're aware of the sky and the air and everything. So I think, and it's very meditative also. So that's something which I got to learn from that. But apart from your question, I really want to say this. मैं बहुत देर से सोच रहा था. हमारी फिल्म जो है ना, वो एक लाइन है हमारे फिल्म के गाने में, जो हार न माने वो इंसान है तू, जो रुके कभी ना वो तूफान है, वो तूफान है तू. सो आई थिंक आज जो रियल हीरोज यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, और जो आप लोगों ने उस लाइन को कंप्लीट किया है, एंड मुझे बहुत खुशी है. मैं इंसानियत और सपोर्ट और प्यार में बहुत बिलीव करता हूँ, और ये फिल्म इन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में है. और मेरे डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर्स ने 4 साल तक दे वेंट थ्रू दिस, दे फॉट देयर वे, दे नेवर गिव अप ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सो दिस फिल्म इज अबाउट दैट, कि हम कभी हार नहीं मानेंगे. एज ह्यूमन वी विल ऑलवेज सपोर्ट ईच अदर, एंड वी विल ऑलवेज फॉलो आवर ड्रीम्स, एंड नो मैटर व्हाट वी विल अचीव. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई एम जस्ट सिंपली ब्लेस्ड दैट आई एम सिटिंग हियर, एंड आप सब मुझे इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं. दैट्स आई डोंट नो व्हाट एल्स टू से. सो thank you very much for everything.
I see Mr. Sudev not understanding Hindi, or you do?
I'll translate it.
I'll tell you in one line, just I love you.
Mr. Sudev, have you also indulged in kite flying?
When I was a kid, yeah.
Okay.
So anything to do with the passion of us as kids. This sport actually touches our childhood.
Yeah.
And it's a common sport without borders and with different cultures. So it's a interesting movie topic, a sport without limits or borders that touches the hearts of all in the times of joy and in the middle of problems. Also, flying kites is trying to find a balance in the ever-changing winds, just like business. So for us as a developer company, we try to find a balanced product in the ever-changing economic conditions.
That's your comparison and your takeaway. Now I'll have Kamalpreet tell me. He comes from a family where kite flying is not just a hobby, they collect kites. And his father has created the world's smallest kite. So tell us about it. And it's almost like the size of, I think it's smaller than my bindi.
Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. First of all, I'm grateful and thankful. My dad, he is a world record holder in kites. He has made the smallest kite of the world that can pass through an eye of a needle. He has a world record for that. Then he created the smallest chakri of the world. And then he created 8 kites simultaneously that could pass through an eye of a needle. So, coming back to the film, जब ये film मेरे पास आई, and when I told my dad, so I feel, कहते ना, you should always dream very high. सपने जिन्ने ले सकते हो उन्ने लो, सपने ज़रूर पूरे होंगे हैं. So I think my dad was the happiest person to know this. कि, one such film is being made on kite flying, and my son is playing one of the main part in that film. So he was very excited. He told me, please let me know if I could, give any contribution to the film. So I invited them on the set. I made them meet the entire team. So I think that's the universal touch, universal call. So Kattu, we have the world's first film on kite flying competition. So we all are here to seek your blessings, and we really hope we have achieved a lot. यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, पापा जी भली करेंगे, फिर फतेह बुलाएंगे.
We'll ask you, tell me who flies the best kites in the entire team.
I think all of us, while shooting for the movie, we forgot that we actually are shooting for a movie. We used to fight. सर कह रहे हैं कि पतंग नहीं उड़ानी है, आप हमें शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, शूटिंग के हिसाब से उड़ाओ, हम अलग ही करें, वहाँ अलग से सेटिंग हो रही है पूरी शूटिंग के हिसाब से, हम यहाँ पे अलग ही पतंग उड़ा रहे हैं, उसकी काट दियो, उसकी काट दियो. So we do our Kamalpreet, Rajesh, who is not here, we all used to enjoy our moments, and that's all.
Wonderful. Mudassar, would you like to tell us about your signature move, which is there in the songs?
Hello everyone. So उसके पहले मैं थोड़ा सा बोलूँगा, प्लीज बोर नहीं होना. बेसिकली माय फर्स्ट स्टेप टू दुबई, पहला कदम जो मैंने रखा वो इन्हीं की वजह से रखा गया, इन्हीं के जरिए से रखा गया. Because my first show I choreographed here in Dubai after I did all those songs for Salman sir. So he called me and he said, मैंने तुमको सलमान के बर्थडे में देखा है, तुम और तुम्हारी टीम डांस करते हुए, तुम मेरे लिए एक शो करोगे कोरियोग्राफ? तो मैं हाँ भाई करेंगे. तो मेरा नाम समीर है, मैं दुबई में सब मेरा है. तो मैं ठीक है, बोला इसी बहाने दुबई का एक थप्पा लग जाएगा अपना. हमारे यहाँ बोलते हैं थप्पा लगना. तो मैंने बोला चलो यार दुबई में जाने मिल रहा है यार पहली बार, लॉन्ग बैक लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 12-13 years back. तो इन्हीं के बदौलत पहली बार दुबई आए थे. फिर उसके बाद फिल्म्स एंड सॉन्ग्स एंड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग, एंड देन आज बहुत ही इमोशनल मोमेंट है हमारे लिए कि आज हम फिर से इतने साल बाद एक फिल्म के प्रीमियर में आए हैं, और इनकी पहली फिल्म है, और हम लोगों का सिर्फ फिल्म से ही ताल्लुक नहीं रहा है, बहुत सारी इमोशनल अप्स एंड डाउन्स रहे हैं दोनों के. बोला ना कि दो पहलू होते हैं, एक पैदाइश होती है और एक मरना होता है, बट मुझे लगता है दो नहीं होते, 3 होते हैं. एक पैदाइश होती है, एक शादी होती है और एक मरना होता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि दुबई आया था तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक पैदाइश था मेरी. 1-2 गाने मैंने किए थे इंडस्ट्री में, टिंका चिका दबंग वो सब किया था सलमान सर के लिए. फिर दुबई आ गया था और फिर तभी पैदाइश थी. अभी मुझे लगता है ये शादी वाला माहौल चल रहा है क्योंकि मेरी अभी शादी हुई है 2-3 महीने पहले. तो वो दोनों एक तरह से है, और फिर इंशाल्लाह जिंदगी और आगे रहेगी तो और आगे करेंगे, मरने तक कुछ ना कुछ झंडे तो गाड़ेंगे. और इन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन किया, बोले मेरे को गाना कोरियोग्राफ करना है. मैं भी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ न्यू कोरियोग्राफर था, कुछ ही गाने किए थे मैंने, तो मैंने बोला यार न्यू डायरेक्टर न्यू कोरियोग्राफर, लेट्स डू इट। अच्छा ही होगा तो अच्छा ही होगा, नहीं होगा तो और सीखेंगे। तो मैंने इनको बोला यार 2 गाने, मैंने बोला मेरे 2 गाने हैं, एक टाइटल सॉन्ग है और एक वो गाना है शादी का है, तो कुछ है कॉन्सेप्ट। तो मैंने बोला शादी के सॉन्ग के लिए अपने पास 1 टेक है, एक टेक में करेंगे, कट नहीं करेंगे। तो उसके लिए हमने रात भर अमृतसर में शॉट लगाया और रात भर हम प्रैक्टिस करते रहे, कहीं ना कहीं गलती होती गई, फिर वापस करो, फिर सारे वापस करो। मैंने बोला यार उजाला होने से पहले एक तो हो गया, एक टेक हो गया हो जाए, और बस उजाला होने से 10 मिनट पहले टेक होके हुआ और फाइनली वो डन हुआ। और आज आप लोग वो गाना और सॉन्ग और फिल्म देखेंगे और बस आप लोगों की दुआ चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच अनिल भाई, द होल गैंग, अभिषेक, अभिलाष, सभी लोग थे उसमें, कमलप्रीत, सृष्टि, एंड हमने बहुत मजा किया। आरती जी भी परफॉर्म कर रही हैं उसमें। सो आई थिंक थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग मी दिस पार्ट ऑफ। देयर इज अ वेडिंग सॉन्ग, टू मच इट्स द नेम ऑफ द सॉन्ग। सो दैट सॉन्ग इज वन ऑफ द आल्सो द अदर सॉन्ग जो कि टाइटल सॉन्ग है, उसमें इनको शायद नहीं पता होगा, उसमें मेरी आवाज भी है, एक गबरू गैंग गैंग गैंग। इन्होंने मुझे गाना बजा, मुझे गाना पसंद नहीं आया। मैंने बोला भाई जरा कुछ पावर नहीं आ रहा है यार। बोले भाई क्या कर सकते हैं, मैंने बोला भाई मेरे को दो। तो बोले कौन कर रहा है, मैंने बोला आदित्य कर रहे हैं। इन्होंने बोला आदित्य देव इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रोग्रामर इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री और वो मेरे दोस्त हैं। तो मैंने बोला भाई मैं आदित्य भाई से बात कर लूँ। मैं आदित्य भाई घर पे गया, हम दोनों ने मिलके भाई क्या करें, बोले आग लगाते हैं गैंग गैंग। तो बस थैंक यू सो मच।
We throw open the floor to questions. We don't have too much time because we have to go for the screening as well. Who would like to ask? I'd like Mr. Hafiz to just stand up there. Hafiz ji is one of the biggest kite enthusiasts in the UAE. He has three kite flying competitions जो आप handle करते हैं. Tell us about it और आपको कैसा लग रहा है इधर? आपको तो actual kite flying पे film है.
आज जैसे इन्होंने मुझे इस फिल्म के बारे में बताया तो मेरे अंदर का जो वो शैतान था ना वो जाके काइट फ्लाइंग के हवाले से, क्योंकि मैं 5 साल से काइट फ्लाइंग जो है वो कर रहा हूँ और काइट मेकिंग भी कर लेता हूँ मैं। और हमारे यहाँ तो इस तरह की काइट्स बहुत कम उड़ती है। हमारे यहाँ बड़ी बड़ी, मैं पाकिस्तान लाहौर से हूँ, तो हमारे बड़ी बड़ी पतंग होती है। तो उसमें लोग अक्सर जो है ना, पिछले दिनों बसंती जो हमने एक ऑर्गेनाइज की थी उसके अंदर लोग पट्टियाँ चढ़ा के कर रहे थे, उड़ा रहे थे, वो बड़ी हार्ड होती है वो। और मैंने कहा यार छोड़ो, मैंने उसको पकड़ा और कही सर ये आपने, मैंने कहा ये 50 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है तो जब इन्होंने मुझे ये कहा कि ये आ रही, मैंने कहा आई हैव टू डू एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस, क्योंकि ये मेरा पैशन है और मैं 50 साल से काइट फ्लाइंग जो है वो कर भी रहा हूँ, करवा भी रहा हूँ। और दुबई में 2000 में पहला फेस्टिवल मैंने करवाया था काइट का, जो कि वेल ऑर्गेनाइज फेस्टिवल माना जाता है यहाँ पे। तो आप लोगों को बेस्ट विशेस।
थैंक यू।
50 से कम के लगते हैं लेकिन। थैंक यू।
Munir wanted to say something.
Yeah.
जी. This Munir.
I can see everyone. Very good evening. I wanted to share what happened last 9 days, just in a 2 minutes. First of all, congratulations and all the very best for Samir and the whole team. May this, take as the flight goes higher and higher, the whole world. When this rain started hitting on Tuesday evening at 6:25, I just started a WhatsApp group called Rain Support UAE. Within an hour, I got 1,024 people joined, and out of that, I know only few, 5-10 people. Others are completely strangers. Shabana was one of the first lady who joined in that group. Then I created 2 second group. It flooded like hell. Then 3rd, 4th, 5th, then 6th and 7th. 7 groups. Out of 7 groups, it was completely full. 7,000 people joined in that gang. That was the first thing what happened.
That is the Gabru gang that you're talking
That
about.
is the Gabru gang, yeah. Then what happened is that the same night we are getting the messages through the WhatsApp group that there was one family stuck in the water with 20 days old baby. One of our gangs, we had a gang of 150 people who are off-roaders, 4x4. That Those people, one of them, Deepak, I still remember it, just went there, took them out and saved. And there was another man was telling he has a cancer and his medicine was over. There was no way to get in because 13th floor, no lift, complete electricity is gone. So our people went out there and just get into the medical, then brought the medicine, walked all over till 13th floor. There are so many stories. We go, 7 groups, 7, in all the 7 groups, there are different people. It's not the same people who are in this thing. And completely, and others, Madrasa ka observe, Madrasa. And even now we are getting the calls and messages. And I am being the admin, the whole founder of the group, whole groups. I don't know what, I was not knowing actually what to do. Because messages left and right.
I'm sure they're all very impressed. I'm sure they'll contact you for a film someday. Who knows, Derek ji?
But none of us would have done anything without you making that. None of us.
It's like I felt it's a responsibility kind of a thing. Wherein people are asking me where to go, what to do. Then the third day, one of the Emirati people, he was saying, Munir, I have tons of materials to go, like water, rice, sugar, and whatnot. Where to go? I said, okay, give me 2 minutes. I just put a message, I need a truck. I got 10 calls having the truck operators. I sent it to them, they brought them in. It was amazing.
A big round of applause for Mr. Munir. Thank you very much, sir.
One second, I know it's too late, but because I wanted to tell you, the reason is that it should be an inspiring story for everyone. A small single thought, what it made. 5,000 plus, nearly 7,000 unknown people united together for a simple cause, that is humanity. Wow. Thank you.
Yes, you have one question. We have to leave. So maximum 2 questions we can take and then we'll have to move. Please excuse us.
And then we'll see you all in the cinema.
Yeah. Yes.
My name is Ritu Pulwani and it's not a question, it's just want to share my experience today joining as a press conference. I really feel nice to be meeting the real life and real life heroes together, and I want to extend my warm welcome to the star cast, producer, director of the movie, and my best wishes to the movie may be a blockbuster everywhere in the world. So keep shining, guys. I really loved it here, and thanks to Mamta Sachdeva ji for inviting us warmly. So thank you so much, Mamta. Keep rocking, guys. My best wishes with you. Waheguru Ji da Khalsa, Waheguru Ji di Fateh. Thank you.
Thank you. Avi, one more question? Mike.
Yeah.
That's Mamta who supported the
Mike.
So first of all, welcome everybody. Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Can we all say Sat Shri Akal? ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ. So first of all, I would like to congratulate each one of them, and I know we are all getting late. Ranjuji, thank you for inviting me. And I would like to share something which happened today morning, and I really realized what all Sameer and the team said. Really, they are living that moment because I saw those tears in their eyes. It is not something small for me, because when we were all sitting, we actually went to Gurdwara Sahib today morning. And when we were talking about the movie, how it was made, the story was created, and how the team was chosen, they actually had tears in their eyes. So if they are taking that responsibility to bring that beautiful story for us, it is our responsibility so that at least we can share some stories for them. Yes or no? Yes. Can we share on our social media, on our TikTok, on our Facebook, on our Instagram? This movie is out. Let's all go and support it, because they all worked very hard for this. So I would request firstly each one of you, please go home and share tonight your experience, positive feedback, and let each one of your followers watch this movie. All the very best.
Okay, one last final question, then we close.
Sameer ji, hi, good evening. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
This is Sanjeevni from Bowl India. One question for you. This is your first project. What are you coming up with next? And are there any chances for Starcast taking up from Dubai, since we all are supporting you from Dubai, including Mamta Sachdeva?
I think I don't need a mic, that's all. No, seriously. Thank you. I'll just tell you one thing, that I don't know what is my next project, but I assure you, check. Events ka hona, I have to do this.
Yes.
So one thing is for sure, I don't know what my next project is, but whichever my next project is, these faces are there.
Okay.
Story बाद में decide होगी, producers, cast, choreographer is decided. That's all. So let's wait and look forward.
Only last question to Srishti.
Yeah.
Only last, because she's so quiet and seeing her since long we all are talking.
Yeah, but how can she speak if she's not asked to?
She's my favorite. That's why there's the only one question. Hi guys, hi everyone. How's your experience and your transition from acting in movies to through serials to movies? Like, how's your experience?
Honestly, I feel television is very difficult.
Yeah.
And movies, like he said, we're like family. It was so comfortable. Wahan par I didn't feel like, I have a producer, I have a director. They honestly made us feel so comfortable. The first time I met her and him in the office, it was really very chilled out, and it felt like we are going on a trip. Movie bhi bana lenge. So it was like that. It was very chilled out, and I think हंसी खुशी हमने सबने काम करके picture बना ली. It took us little long to come to you all, but that little love that will give us, it'll mean everything to us, and all we need is just little love from each one of you, and I'm sure you guys
we
will.
are gonna give you like.
Thank you.
Last question from that gentleman.
Actually, I have for having my thinking as a writer and director, we have to go together. Samirji, and I'm so happy to see you as a director and writer, and also with Alex. We were friends for a long years back. What you are trying to tell in your first movie?
Thank you, Suresh Bhai. Suresh Bhai and me, we know each other from 15, 16 years. Yeah, and I'm so happy to see that you are so happy to see that I am so happy. And because of this transition of words, I forgot the question that you asked, but what I want to say through the movie, only one thing.
Let's go and watch together.
No, go and watch it is a different thing. But family values, friendship values are beyond every monetary value, every possession value. That is the value in my film.
Thank you very much to all of us to have attended this press conference. I know this is a different part of the city for many of you, and for you, some of them, you're very close by. But thank you very much, and let's all see you in the cinemas in some time.